and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the witch set on Dress to Impress. So I looked everywhere for this set and it's actually here on the second button. So under the settings button, select it and select the third button here. As you can see, you can purchase a lot of new items, and there are other items that have been removed from the area, but they're now here to for you to purchase. I already have most of them except for the ones with Robux. The new ones we got are the Witch set, Supernova Star set, Acoustic Guitar, and the Skull Thigh High Boots. I already got everything except for the Supernova Star set skirt. And you'll need around 6,000 of the Dress to Impress currency to purchase all of them. But if you want to just purchase the witch set, select view and select purchase on every one of them. They range to 500 up to 1,200. This one's the most expensive one, but I think it's worth it. Again, you can get other items as well. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Also, where the items are, I forgot to tell you that. They're in the closet area. There's also one outside of VIP, of course. And just press this button and scroll down and you'll see all the items that you have from there. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.